Hello guys, today I am recording this video to tell you about on the importance of data and numerical optimization techniques. Why they are important? Because today I am working on the machine learning project, which includes a satellite imagery of satellite imagery in it, and I have crashed my session on Google Cloud Server for 2-3 times even after I have already applied the data optimization and the numerical optimization techniques in it. So you can imagine the kind of mess will be if we don't use these kind of techniques. I will tell you why. So currently my RAM usage, you can see is in the critical situation, and it can crash. It may be crash while I am working on a generative adversarial networks, which consists of almost 6 million parameters in it. Let me show you. This is my model image, and the kind of these are 147 million parameters in the generator model, and I have also another model which is known as discriminator, which consists of 500 million or a half a billion parameters in it. You can see these are half a billion parameters in it, total parameter, no all are trainable. So you can understand what kind of a mess we can face if we don't use the correct correct data optimization and the numerical optimization techniques in it. I pray for me that I don't crash in next time. Thank you.